Good evening friends, time for a technical update on the markets. The Nifty closed in negative today, down 16 points and closed at 6268. During the day, we saw some stock specific action, mostly in the banking stocks like Canara Bank, Union Bank, etc. Metal stocks like Tata Steel and Hindalco faced some selling pressure and closed 1.2% down each of them. The positive point from today's trading session was that the advance decline ratio was positive. That is, there were 715 advances to 453 declines, even though the market closed negative today. Now let us have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that Nifty has been holding this upward sloping support trend line, and again it has taken support at that area and is forming higher tops and higher bottoms on the daily charts. The momentum indicator has also given a fresh positive buy signal today, so we expect the rally in Nifty to continue. Now moving on to the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, we can observe that the Nifty has been forming a triangle pattern, and we expect this triangle pattern to break on the upside. The Nifty, the momentum indicator has a negative crossover. However, it is trading above its 40-hour moving average, which is placed at 6415. So even if we see some correction, Nifty should find support at so even if we see some correction, we can expect Nifty to take support at 6245, which is the 40-hour exponential moving average, and move ahead and move up from there onwards. Overall, our view on the Nifty remains positive for a target of 6415, which is the previous swing high. Now moving on to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we can observe that similarly it is holding this lower trend line of the upward sloping channel and has been trading and has been forming higher tops and higher bottoms on the daily charts. We can expect the rally in banking stocks to continue as well, and crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 11,200 and 11,000, whereas resistances are placed at 11,510 and 11,635. Now moving on to some stock specific ideas, some buy recommendations from our side. The first one which we have is Union Bank. Union Bank has been trading in a range since a very long time, and we expect this range to break on the upside. So traders can go long on Union Bank for a target of 133 and 137 on the upside, with a stop loss placed at 125.4. The next one which we have is from the pharma space, Cipla. Cipla has been retracing this downfall which we can see, and we expect the retracement to continue. It is trading above its 20 and 40 daily moving averages, and the momentum indicator also has a buy crossover, as a positive crossover, and we expect targets of 410 and 420 on Cipla. Traders can keep a stop loss of 389.40. That's all for the day. Thank you.